Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Olivia here. Let me get this shit set up. Okay. So hey, what's good? What's up? How's it going? Thanks for hopping into this video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, excuse me. If you're new, please subscribe down below. Like, comment, share, all that stuff. Yeah, as you saw in the title, you clicked on this video. I'm doing my highlighter collection or highlighter haul, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's just get into this. I'm gonna have all the links in the description down below. I'm gonna rate the my favorites to the least favorites, showing you like difference between expensive products and cheap products. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start off with the first highlighter that I ever had or used. It was this Ulta Pure Color eyeshadow pigment, actually, and it was a tester. I got it, I think, for $3. It was in the shade Honey.
I looked around for this forever, and I could not find it anywhere on the internet, nowhere. It was like fucking gone. So, unfortunately, I don't think this is still around, but your girl still has it. So, I'm gonna actually just like get a little bit, because this shit's pigmented. As you can see, it's very white. I'm gonna just swipe that right there. But yeah, I used this as my very first highlighter. I loved it. I still love it. So, this one, if it was still around, or if it is still around, comment down below if you find it. If you don't, just, you know, whatever. But yeah, if you find it, send me the link, and I will put it in the description. So yeah, there's that one.
Now, I'm trying to think of... Oh yes, the second one I ever bought was on Wish. It was like a liquid highlighter. It's the HengFang Moisture and Shine.
Looks like that. I actually bought two of them. I didn't realize I bought the same color like a while ago. But yeah, anyways, I'll just swatch one of them. Comes with an applicator, like a lipstick applicator. Alright. There's that one. This one is very, like, tacky. Like, especially after it has dried. Like, if you were to pat it in or rub it in. Like, it's not bad. It's really not. It just leaves kind of a weird tacky residue for a bit. But the pigment is really good. I have to approve of that.
So I think I bought that one before I bought this stick highlighter. It's been through hell and back, so you can't really see, but I think it's Bling highlighter from Wish.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like look back and look at it and find it, but this one's more of like a stick highlighter. It's over here. So yeah, I really dug this one for like a long time. I think I actually bought this one before I bought the liquid one, but you know. Okay, so that was that. Those are my firsts, I believe, and from here on out, I don't know which one came in first or second or whatever, so I'm just going to go with all the liquid ones.
I still don't know how to pronounce this. This is Pudaier.
I can't see it, but I'll figure it out one of these days, or I won't. Anyways, it's a pink one. It's got beautiful shimmer to it. I had this posted on my Snapchat and my Instagram, I think, a while back when I first got it. It wasn't too long ago, but yeah. This one is a super pretty pink color. It's a liquid highlight. Yeah, it sort of has the same consistency, maybe a little bit different as this one, the HengFang. Anyway, so, I mean, I like this one. I used it as like a sparkle blush in one of my videos, but it's really pretty. I like it a lot. So there's that one. And then I got into liquid highlights after that. Decided to do like a highlight haul. So I bought a crap ton of them. They all came in at different times. So 2 of them came in from Wish, and the other 2 came in from AliExpress. So I can't remember which ones came in which, but I'm going to do the taller ones first.
These are the, this one's the O.TWO.O, and then this one's the Cover FX ones. So I'm going to do this one first.
This one's a custom enhancer drops in the shade Celestial. So let me just, I want to show you that. And you can't really see the sparkle, but yeah, this one is the one that smells really, really good. It smells like flowers almost. Okay, there's that. These ones have more of a greasy, oily texture to it, but still very beautiful. I would love using them all the time. So there's that one. Then I'm going to do the Cover FX. I got this in the shade Moonlight. Again, with the same sort of consistency texture. Come on. There we go. Okay, this one's more brownish, as you can see. And it goes on better than that other one, but it still has that greasy-ish feel to it. So, yeah. Yeah, it has such a greasy feel to it. Where's my rag? There it is. Okay.
Next, I'm going to go in with the highlighter Liquid Glow Beauty Glazed.
I think I got this from Wish. I think so. I got this in the shade Bronze. So it looks like this. Got the little applicator like that. Like the drop applicator. Alright. Let's see if I can... Yeah, this one's very beautiful. It's right here.
It's not as brown as the other one. It's more red. Like, not red, more pinkish to me. Anyway, so there's that one. And this one's, like, I think by far my favorite one. It's the Iconic&London Illuminator.
It's in the shade... There's a shade, I just can't find it. Let me look. I think it's in the shade Original, or there's numbers. I don't know. I'll find it. But anyways, this one has the best texture to me. It still has that greasy-ish texture, but it just covers a little bit better. I think I got this one on Wish, but I'm not sure. It could have been AliExpress. This one doesn't really smell as good as the other one, but there we go. It's very pink and just like blushish look. So yeah, there's that one. I really like it. That is all of my liquid highlighters. I'm going to do my cream highlighter. I mean, this stick one is also counting as a cream highlighter, I would say. So there's that one.
And this one's the HANDAIYAN. I don't know. I'll put the words about right here.
I know, I'm sorry, I'm dumb. I can't fucking pronounce worth shit. Anyways, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of got a purpley, blue, and greenish. It's like iridescent look to it. And down my finger. So yeah, it's right there. It's fucking beautiful, in my opinion. I love it. I would recommend this one. I think I got this one on eBay. Yeah, I got it on eBay. So there's that.
Now the UCANBE. Super beautiful.
It's got like the rainbow-esque look to it. It's the UCANBE Heaven's Hue highlighter. Looks like this. Got the mirror. Super darling. Has 3 colors. I don't know what the colors are, but there's like a greener one, a blue, purple, and a pinkish one. But like they change when they're on your skin, so it's kind of weird. These ones are super pigmented. I got this on AliExpress. I'm gonna swatch the greenish one for you. Well, it's more yellowy, but it looks great on the skin. Right here. So there's that one. I'm gonna do the blue one. Right there. On the website, it said it was what's it called? It said it was hollow, but I'm like, bitch, that's not hollow. That's iridescent. And finally, the pink one. Right there. It's more peachy pink, but you know. Woo! Okay.
So there's that one. I got this color mix of Focallure. I don't know. This is in the shade Monster H01.
Let me open it. Small, but cute, and it works well, I have to say. Got this on Wish. I'll just pop it out of its case real quick. And then do a good old big girl swatch, shall we? A good one. Just really fucking get in there, you know, like you're trying to... Yeah. I'm gonna put it right there. It's very beautiful. I know you can't really see it, but it's like... It's more of the natural highlight, I'd say. Here. But I still love it. I think it's gorgeous. Put that away.
Okay, so I went to TJ Maxx, I think it was, with my mom, and I went and got this Profusion palette. It's contour and highlight and stuff.
I can't find it either. I can't find it anywhere on the internet, so if you can find it, let me know. Here is the highlighter right here that I fucking use forever. You can see it's all like indented and stuff, but it's one of my favorite highlighters still. I'm gonna get a big girl swatch. Looks yellowy, but it's really nice. Very, very, very pigmented, I'd say. Right down here. As my, arm gets all highlighted. So yeah, that one I would recommend if you can find it. I
was on Macari, and I was looking around for highlighters and stuff for this haul, and I found this Becca highlighter. I don't remember how much I got it for, but oh my gosh, the packaging was beautiful. It's put away right now, but this is what the highlighter looks like. I got it in the shade Opal Flashes Jade.
So, open it real quick. Oh my god, open up. There we go. Looks like this. Got a little mirror. And the highlighter looks like that. You can see it like changing color. It's also iridescent. It comes with a little tab. Anyways, let me get a big girl swatch. Okay, so you can see it change color. Where am I gonna fucking put this? I'm gonna put it right there, right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, I fucking love this one, and this one's the more expensive one. I would highly recommend expensive highlighters because they are legit. They are pigmented. They do put a whole bunch of effort into it. So yes, I am very grateful for that one.
Okay, the next one is the Love Luxe Beauty Fantasy.
Cruelty free. I love that. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna just show you. Look how cute. It says you are unbelievably beautiful because you are. All right, here's the colors. Let's swatch them one by one. The first one I'm gonna do right here. It's called Whammo. Okay. These ones are the more fun highlights, I think, or even if they, I don't know, are they highlights? I'm gonna call them highlights because why the fuck not? We can if we want to. Okay, it's right there. It's more. I would use that for a blush, actually. Would I? Yeah, I would use that for a blush. I love that. So that was the Whammo. The next I'm gonna do Shooting Star. Love this one as well. It's more of a yellowy one, and I don't know, I kind of like it a lot. Look at that. It's very golden. Beautiful. I'm gonna do, I don't know how to pronounce this shit. It's this one. The Whammo, Whammo? I don't know. Fuck that shit. I'm not trying to pronounce it anymore. Okay. Looks like that. I'm gonna swipe it right there. It's fun if you're going to like a, one of those gay pride things. Okay, anyways, I'm doing this one. It's Spark. It's a beautiful color for a highlight. I'm gonna put that right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's more of like a subtle. Next one's the purple one. It's called Illusion. I'll put it up. Oop, Jesus, can't even get it. It's right there. Very beautiful. Very glisten-esque. And then the last one is Trip. We're gonna trip out, bitches. Okay, I'm gonna put it right about here. It's right there. Hard to see, but still it's very, got all my highlighters. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it, bitches. Okay, so yeah, got one more palette real quick. Not sure if it's like is it a highlighter? Yeah, I think it's a highlighter. Oh my god, I don't know if I can push it away. There we go.
Last one is the Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia, Beverly Hills.
Yeah, I got this on eBay, I believe. I don't remember for how much. There's Blue Eyes, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. I'm not going to do the purpley gray ones. I'm just going to do the lighter colors, so I'm going to swatch them real quick. Get a good old... that one is Blue Eyes. Pretty, I like it. This one's Purple Horseshoe. Right here, subtle but very beautiful. And then the last one is Lucky Clover. That's that one.
Alright, so would I recommend all these? I would indeed. Want to know why? Because I am a highlighter freak. I fucking love highlighter. I love any sort of highlighter. Yes. But you do gotta realize that the more expensive a highlighter, the better the highlighter will be and turn out. Although the cheaper ones, they were still really good, and I was very happy and surprised with them. So yeah, I would recommend all of them too. Yeah, so sorry it was such a long video. Thank you for tuning in. Please be welcome to watch more of my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, comment down below if you have any other highlight that you want me to try out, because I will. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.